नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम कुल हुवल्लाहु अहद अल्लाहुस समद लम यलिद व लम यूलद व लम यकुल लहु कुफुवन अहद सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। My respected teachers and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Today I am going to deliver this speech for Mother Shahid Shah and all his fellow travelers who have set out to help the Muslim of Gaza. They are leading the global Samad Flotilla. This flotilla is going to Muslim of Gaza. They are leading the global Samad Flotilla. May Allah keep their journey safe and successful. May Allah accept their great mission. My dear audience, Al-Aqsa is not just our mosque. It is our heart, it is our soul, it is our essence. Thank you Allah.
Subhanallah.